Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your home evaluation score rewards in Heartopia. So let's see if any of these items did make a difference on the scoring. I also have another room for it, but we are going to just open our watch and then we're opening the DG tab here. Select this button. And then we got, ooh, 7,000. We had 3,000. Okay. If more hobby collectibles could be placed, it would surely make your home even better. Okay, so we need more hobby collectibles. And okay, adding more building materials. And then we're going to press on the score. And here's where we can claim our rewards. And we have these items. So there will be more, but I need, okay, the highest is 15,000. I don't know how I'm going to get to that. These earrings are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need those. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.